Here's a Wi-Fi switch. This little box is the Sonoff Mini R2, and this is commanding a fan. That fan, if it's accidentally left on, then it should work continuously. Let's start from the beginning. So that's the application of that Sonoff Mini R2 Wi-Fi switch. This is called eWeLink, and let's make that switch automatically power off after, let's say, half an hour, so that the fan, if it's accidentally left on, then it should not work 24 hours non-stop. So let's just start it first. The fan, as you can hear it started. Now tap on the text itself. Now tap on the three dots up here in the upper right corner. Three dots. And there is a setting called inching settings. Tap on that one, and when inching mode is enabled, the device will automatically turn off after being on for a while after each start. So enable the inching settings and modify the time. Let's say the maximum amount should be, let's say, 30 minutes. So if you accidentally forgot it on, then it should turn off after 30 minutes and 0 seconds, and save it. So now, since the inching setting is enabled and it is set to 30 minutes, save that one also. It even turned off. Then after starting that fan, if you forgot to turn it off manually, then it will automatically power off after half an hour. If we set it to a lower amount, inching setting, let's set it to just 1 minute. Save. Let's power it on. The fan is spinning and it will automatically power off after just 1 minute. Currently it's on 12 o'clock and 35 minutes and the fan is spinning, and when it reaches to 36, theoretically it should stop. That's not exactly 1 minute. It's not counting from the time when you powering it on. So if you started at 35 minutes and 30 seconds, then at 36 will power off. It's not working. It just stopped and it's black. So it's not working an entire minute as you commanded it, but from the time you powered on till the next minute. That is, if you power it on at 30 seconds, from there till the 60, it is working only 30 seconds.